Hi guys, welcome back to Join's 3L Club again. Today we're going to continue to learn some more body part vocabularies in Chinese. Apart from that, we're also going to learn some simple expressions about asking and answering how our physical condition is. So let's jump right to it. By the way, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do that and turn on the bell so you can get notifications from the videos that I'm going to post every week. So let's get started. The first word we're going to learn is 头, 头, 头. This is our 头. 头 means head, right? 头. And the second word is going to be 牙, 牙齿, 牙齿. Tooth, tooth, teeth, 牙齿. 肚子, 肚子 means stomach. 肚子, right? 肚子. So, and now we're gonna learn an adjective called 痛, 痛. As you can see from here, 痛 means painful, ache. So, let's make the phrase together with the body part words we just learned. 头痛, 头痛. What that means, headache, right? And 牙痛, 牙痛. That means toothache, toothache. And stomachache, 肚子痛, 肚子痛. That means stomachache, right? And the next words will be 舒服, 舒服, 舒服 means comfortable, well. In this case, we use well. So for example, if we say, are you comfortable? Like in China, when you go to a clinic to see a doctor, or the nurse will ask you, 你哪里不舒服? In which part of your body that's not comfortable? 你哪里不舒服? And then we can say 感冒, 感冒. 感冒 means to catch a cold, have a cold, 感冒. 发烧, 发烧. That means to have a fever, to have a fever. 发烧, 发烧. 头痛, headache. 牙痛, toothache. 肚子痛, stomachache. And the last expression is going to be 你好吗? 你好吗? 你身体好吗? 你好吗 actually means 你身体好吗? Like sometimes when I call my grandma, I would say, hey grandma, what's up? How is your health? 你身体好吗? And my grandma would say, I'm well. 我很好. I'm well. 我很好. Or she would say, 我不好. 我不好. She would say, I have a headache. 我头痛. 我头痛. Headache. And sometimes she would say, like, I have an ache, my waist hurts, you know. So because the old people, they have some waist problems from when they were young, they do too much naval work. So I remember from the last videos we learned about 腰. 腰 means waist. So you can just add 痛 at the back of 腰. So 腰痛, 腰痛. You can also say 手痛, like you have some ache in the hand or in the arm. You know, 痛 is a very useful word. So these are the words that we learned today. I hope you find it useful and they can really benefit you from your daily lives. And leave me comments, let me know how you think, and I wish to see you here next time. Bye!